Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Bass Buds Ultima. These are from the brand Petron. So let's get started. These are ANC wireless earbuds from the brand Petron. You can see the product image here, and there are some amazing features that it offers. Let me take you through. It has advanced wireless connectivity, and the wireless range that it offers is around 10 meters. The speaker driver size is 10 mm and the total playback time that you get with the case is around 15 hours. Now, the designs are ergonomic, it's quite light in weight, you have touch control, you get hi-fi audio with deep bass, 15 hours total playback time, you can do stereo calls, digital display is there, music and volume control is there, voice assistant is there, and then it has IPX4 water and sweat resistant. And how do they look like? Let me just show it to you. IPX4 means that you can wear them, and even if some water spills on it, nothing will happen to your wireless earbud. Now, this is how they are packed in this box. This is the charging case. These are the wireless earbuds, and they come with ANC. Now, ANC is a very advanced feature and it is so much required, especially when you want to listen to your call, when you want to listen to your music without disturbing, without the surround sound disturbing, the other surrounding sound disturbing you. Then ANC mode helps you enjoy your calls, your music without the other outside sound disturbing you. You get an immersive experience when you turn on the ANC mode, and if you want to switch to transparency mode, you can also do that with just click of a button. Now, this is the product, and then this is the charging cable that you get. There are some extra set of silicone ear cups just in case you're not happy with the current size or the wear and tear happens or you lose them, then you can change. You can try these different size silicone ear cups. Then there is this code that you get, and now what you have to do, you have to scan this code in order to open the user guide, and I'll really advise you to open the user guide to understand the product in a more efficient manner. And then you also get this warranty card. You have to scan and register for the warranty. Now, let me just take you through these wireless earbuds. In order to switch on them, what you have to do, you have to just keep pressing them for 3 seconds, and that's how they get auto switched on. And now, in order to charge this, you have to keep them inside the charging case. This is how you keep them. And once you have kept them inside the charging case, it's magnetic, so they get this thing here, and then you get this digital display. Now, this digital display lets you know about the battery life, how much battery has been consumed, how much it is left. You will get to know through this. Left and right marking is there. You can use these earbuds in solo mode, like in mono or dual, like you can use either of one or you can use both. Now, this is the user guide. I'll take my phone. You just have to open the camera in your phone and scan this. And as soon as my camera scans this code, you get the option open the Petron this thing on the website, and this is how it gets open. And there you just have to play this in order to listen to all the features that it offers. You can easily connect these wireless earbuds with your mobile phone, whether you have Android or earphone, and all the features, how you can go to the next track, how you can reject the call, how you can switch between different modes, everything is mentioned in the user guide. So you can play the video, you can understand the product in a more better way. This was it about these Bass Buds Ultima ANC wireless earbuds from the brand Petron. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.